Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Learning with Abi and Umi channel. We proudly present Solar and Lunar Letters in Arabic from Durus al-Lughah, Book 1, Chapter 3. Before continuing the lesson, it's better to review the formal lesson. 1. Definite article in Arabic is al. Al is corresponding to the English the. Definite noun in Arabic is called ism ma'rifah. When al is prefixed to a noun, tanwin is dropped. For examples, baytun becomes al-baytu. Al-huruf al-qamariyyah, lunar letters. Al-abu. Ba, for examples, al-babu. Jim, for examples, al-jannatu. Ha, al-himaru. Kha, al-khubzu. Ain, al-ainu. Al-ghada'u. Fa, al-famu. Qaf, al-qamaru. Kaf, al-kalbu. Mim, al-ma'u. Waw, al-waladu. Ha, al-hawa'u. Ya, al-yadu. Lunar letters summary. There is sukun at lam, so we read it al-qamaru. Then let's take a look at solar letters. Al-huruf al-shamsiyyah. Ta, at-tajiru. Tha, al-thawbu. Dal, ad-diku. Dhal, al-dhahabu. Ra, al-rajulu. Zay, al-zahratu. Sin, as-samaku. Shin, ash-shamsu. Sad, as-sadru. Dad, al-dayfu. Ta, al-talibu. Dha, al-dhahru. Lam, al-lahmu. Nun, an-najmu. Solar letter summary. There is shaddah after lam. Lam is assimilated to the solar letter, so we read it ash-shamsu. Okay, that's all for today. We will continue to chapter 4 inshallah. Subscribe for getting notification on the next lesson. Bye. Wassalamu alaikum.